A cylinder, 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 a bottle-like shape, which has a circular base. Base, this is the base, the circular base, circle. If you see from the top or the bottom, it is a circle. But when you see it from the side, it appears like elliptical. So it is a circular base. The base of the cylinder, this is the base. The bottom surface of this cylinder is a circular base. Or else it is also and is called a cylinder. This is called a cylinder. This figure is called cylinder. The bottle is cylindrical. You can see it also has a circular base over here. This portion is not visible because it is behind. A cylinder has two edges but not a single corner. So you can see the edge. The cylinder is having this edge and this edge, two edges. But does it have a corner? No, it does not have any corner. The base and the top surfaces of a cylinder are alike. We can see the top surface and the bottom surface. The cylinder, the top surface and the bottom surface. You can see this is the top surface. This is the bottom surface, flat bottom. This edge is not visible. This portion, dotted portion, is not visible because it is behind. The front edge is visible. If we look at the cylinder from this end, from the bottom, suppose you lift the cylinder, pick up the cylinder and observe it from the bottom, so you can observe a perfect circle. You will observe a circular face. So that is the flat bottom. This is the curved surface. Curved surface. This is the curved surface. This is the flat bottom. And you can see the flat top also. This is the flat top. You can color the flat top. Okay. The bottom is not visible from the sides. So, but we can see that this cylinder, this is a circle, this is the flat bottom. It is also a circular shape. Try this experiment. Place a cylinder on a slide in a park. Does it slip downwards or roll down? So let us find out. This is the slide. Now you are placing a cylinder on the slide. What will happen to it? Will it slide like this or will it rotate like this? Will it rotate like this and come down, or will it slide like this and come down? It will rotate and come down like this. So it will rotate and it will roll down. That is known as rolling down. Rolling down. the cylinder will roll down. It will not slide down like this. Here it was sliding down. The parallelopipe was sliding down, whereas the cylinder is rolling down. It will roll round like this. It will go on rolling, you know. So after it comes here, it will again roll. It will keep on moving for some time. It will keep rotating. It will rotate like this,